We're just days away from the March 26th announcement of the Huawei P30 and Huawei P30 Pro, but you probably won't be able to buy the phones on that day. The date for that might be April 5th. It's likely that a retailer as big as Amazon would have an accurate on-sale date this close to launch, so April 5th may well be correct, but it's worth noting that dates in other countries may differ, and so too might the date for the standard Huawei P30. But this isn't the only Huawei P30 Pro news today, as high-quality press renders showing both it and the standard Huawei P30 have also emerged, and they were posted on Huawei's official Belgian site, so these are the real deal. They don't really show anything new, as the phones have been extensively leaked already, but they do give us another look at them in a range of colors. The Huawei P30 and P30 Pro are due for an official reveal on March 26, but we've already seen a flood of leaks in the run-up to the event. This new leak gives us another look at the devices, corroborating previous renders that showed a water drop notch for both phones in lieu of a wider cutout. It also looks like customers will be able to score what looks like a free Huawei iWatch GT if they purchase a P30 or P30 Pro via the retailer. Power's listing also gives us a comprehensive look at the spec sheet, starting with the cameras. The P30 Pro's listing reveals a 40MP plus 20MP plus 8MP plus 3D TOF rear combination. Switch to the standard P30 model, and the retailer lists a 40MP plus 16MP plus 8MP rear-facing trio. Both devices apparently share a 32MP selfie camera, which could potentially shoot at a pixel bin 8MP if Huawei opts for this approach. Huawei Netherlands accidentally uploaded a page on its website promoting the P30 and P30 Pro. The page was since removed, but not before we were able to get a bunch of images and learn more on the pre-order bonuses. These images don't reveal anything about the P30 Duo that we didn't already know, but they do corroborate previous leaks. We see that both smartphones will come with a water drop notch on the front along with a multi-camera setup at the back. The Pro variant will come with 4 rear cameras, whereas the vanilla P30 will have 1 fewer. Huawei hasn't revealed the release date of the smartphones, but it is offering gifts to those who pre-order before April 8, 2019, so that's a pretty strong indication. If you pre-order the P30, you will get a Sonos One speaker, and if you pre-order the Pro variant, you will get the speaker and a wireless charger. Having said that, do note that you cannot pre-order either of these smartphones right now. Interestingly enough, the listing also mentions 5x optical zoom for the Pro variant and 10x hybrid zoom otherwise. This would be a big improvement over the Mate 20 Pro and P20 Pro's 3x lossless zoom and 5x hybrid zoom. As for other differences, the listings reveal 6GB/128GB variants for both devices, as well as an 8GB/256GB option for the P30 Pro. Furthermore, the Pro device is listed with a 4200 mAh battery, while the standard variant is said to have a 3650 mAh pack. Finally, the Pro model apparently offers a 6.47-inch OLED screen, while the standard device packs a 6.1-inch OLED display. Both devices are listed with a Kirin 980 chipset and in-display fingerprint sensor. The retailer lists the 128GB P30 Pro at $1,061, while the 256GB variant is listed at $1,178. Want the standard variant? Then you'll be splashing out $825, according to Power. What do you make of the P30 and P30 Pro at this stage? Give us your thoughts in the comments.